Menteri Rangba Gajala Ukanrat ke Sangma ne da wai ya ka bottling plan wa he do hakathai North East ka wa Hamendi Pathar North Garo Hills ka wa man yong ka Warren Beverage Limited Pepsi ko ka wa chna he thau wa he le phaunyao ekar Hamendi Pathar Industrial Area he wa da palun les pa so phau kulur bo chna ya ka Ukanrat hawe ye kalam da ongu wa kani ka kharkhana da man go ikirkhu ya ki wa chong chnong ka thain ki wa daw yo kre we man go le kam kadak wa penyo ya iroi ipar ne bha am empoi prakhat wo em kam gani Hamendi Pathar da kadaw le wa ya kani ka Hamendi Pathar Industrial Area da prakhat wo wanra ka haki snem khat khende phau tangwa palat le phau snem ye wo pen man kam ka Hei wagawi le ka kharkhana wa yen we da man go le ka thong ulit pa sangma nei benta ka Hamendi Pathar ka woman kam ka kor iroi ipar ka Garo Hills de ikhublai ule ya unakoma kam ju ki paiba ka Hamendi Pathar ki wade isngau bha ya ini thau wo bu ya kani ka industrial area le house nem na chwa kani ka kharkhana daw em kam ko au jan san spa ngut ki wakre Weda pun mi ko yaki obon ki mar ka Pepsi ko na jurang wada wanra ko kalat ka kabu yaki wi wo chna thausa we wo sedang ki wi de iki ikan da ong ukonran da penti bule wa ichna yakani ka kharkhana da chimpor khat wi banai we gani ka Warren Beverage Limited to ko kare kam hakaleng ke Asia wa Africa.
Today we have inaugurated the Warren Beverages Pepsi plant here in Hamendi Pathar in North Garo Hills, Meghalaya. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of RB Corp and Warren Beverages, Shri Ravi Jaipuria ji, and other board members, Mr. Varun Jaipuria and others, for having selected Hamendi Pathar, North Garo Hills and Meghalaya to set up this particular unit of Pepsi and its products, the bottling unit right here. This is a 340 crore plant, and full investment of course has been done by the company, and this is the largest bottling plant in the entire Northeast, and almost all the products of Pepsi and additional products will be bottled and manufactured right here in this location, and this is a huge push towards the overall economic development of this region and the state as a whole. You may recall that this industrial area was, the land was donated in the 1990s, and since then it's been 35 years and no major industries have come up. So this is a great blessing for the people of this area, this region, and the state as a whole. And I'm sure that with investments like these, with the jobs that have been created, we expect more and more industries to come in and set up their factories out here. And we take this opportunity to invite them to come and set up their units here in Meghalaya. And we'll be happy to support them for the overall development, as I said, of the state, and also to provide employment opportunities for our youngsters. Thank you very much.